How to install TikTok application in Android phone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install your TikTok application on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to navigate to the Play Store. Simply click on Play Store. If you're not able to find it, then you can head over to your app library and search for Play Store. First thing, you need to log in with your Google account. So you're going to click on the profile icon here at the top right. So make sure you're logged into your Google account. If you're not, then you can simply create a Google account on the go. So once you have logged into your Google account, you're going to click on search here at the bottom right. Go to the search bar and type in TikTok. So simply press search and you'll be able to see TikTok over here. So there are basically two TikTok applications. One is simply TikTok and the other is TikTok Lite. So you can see TikTok Lite is only 19 MB and TikTok is more. So if your phone doesn't have that much of memory and you want to download the lighter version of TikTok, it will have all of the features that the normal TikTok has, but it is a bit lighter version. So you can simply download the one that is preferred for your phone. So you'll be able to see an install option here. Simply click on that and just wait for it to get installed. Once done, you'll be able to see TikTok appear on your homepage. If you're not able to find it over there, then you can simply open it from here as well. So that's basically how you can install TikTok app in Android phones. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.